Welcome to the Microsoft Cloud Option webinar series. My name is Vivek Bhatnagar. I am a CTO and founder for UnifyCloud. So once you have understanding of digital state and you know that what all systems workloads you are running, the other important thing is how do you do an org alignment? And this is again a very important aspect. Because once you thinking about, okay, I'm going to move this digital state to the cloud, maybe in process we are going to modernize that part. Um, but how do we go about it? Like, who is going to approve all security standards? Who is going to look at compliances? There are a lot of critical decisions that you are going to take while moving digital state to the cloud side of it, and it needs a supervision part of it and implementation part of it. So broadly, at least you should try to align organization at least in two teams. One is focus on cloud implementation, and definitely you need a larger team because there are a lot of people required to move asset from on-premise to cloud or modernize assets. But you also need a smaller cloud governance team, which is focused mostly on governance part of this. That are we following all the standards? Are we following like all the compliances? It is important that we do this org alignment to create a balance between speed and control. We definitely recommend that during cloud adoption, at a minimum, like you have people accountable for cloud adoption and cloud governance both. This might be a team of people sharing responsibility for each other, or maybe each other capabilities. It might also be individual people who are both accountable for outcome, then also responsible for work. So it can cut into many scenarios based on which company you are working with. And it is fairly like intuitive that basically the cloud option tasks require people to execute those tasks. And so it is always I have seen that cloud implementation team may be a very large team, and then cloud governance team is smaller but very effective team.